If I told you that a single $5 can sitting in your garage could save you thousands in car repairs, would you believe me? Most drivers think WD-40 is just for squeaky doors. But the truth is, mechanics have been using this magic spray for decades to fix problems that could otherwise cost you a fortune. Today, we're revealing 10 genius WD-40 tricks that could extend your car's life, prevent expensive breakdowns, and keep money in your pocket. Tricks your mechanic might not want you to know. And hey, before we jump in, I want to personally ask for your support. Running this channel takes a lot of time and effort, and honestly, every subscription helps me continue paying my college fees while bringing you free car-saving tips. So if you find value in this video, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. It really means the world. Now let's get into it. Stop rust before it eats your car alive. Rust is the silent killer of cars. Once it starts spreading, repairs can cost thousands. But did you know WD-40 can actually slow down rust formation on door hinges, undercarriage bolts, and even battery terminals? A quick spray creates a protective barrier against moisture, something mechanics won't always tell you because, well, rust repairs bring them big money. Remove stubborn stickers without damaging paint. You know that dealership sticker on your trunk? Or maybe the inspection sticker residue on your windshield? Most people end up scratching the surface trying to peel it off. WD-40 softens adhesive instantly. Just spray, wait a few minutes, and it peels away clean. No expensive detailing required. You know that high-pitched squeal when you start your car? Usually it's a slipping belt. While you'll eventually need a replacement, WD-40 can quiet it down and add grip temporarily, helping you avoid an emergency trip to the shop. That means less stress and more money in your pocket. A dirty engine bay not only looks bad but can trap heat and cause components to fail. WD-40 breaks down built-up grease, making it easy to wipe away without damaging wires or plastic. Mechanics often charge $150 or more for an engine detail, but you can do it at home with a rag and WD-40. Headlight restoration kits cost $30 to $50. But if your headlights are just slightly cloudy, WD-40 can bring back their shine instantly. Just spray and wipe. It's not a permanent fix, but it makes a huge difference in visibility and safety, especially before a long trip. Protect car locks from freezing. If you live in a cold climate, you've probably dealt with frozen car locks. That means wasted time and possibly broken keys. Spraying a little WD-40 into your locks before winter creates a thin protective layer that repels moisture, saving you from frozen locks and locksmith bills. Remove tar, bugs, and road grime. Have you ever spent hours scrubbing sticky tar or dead bugs off your bumper? WD-40 dissolves them in seconds without damaging your paint job. Compare that to a professional wash that can cost $40 or more. This is basically free. Stop battery corrosion in its tracks. Battery corrosion can prevent your car from starting and even damage cables. Mechanics might charge $200 to replace corroded wires, but WD-40 sprayed on battery terminals keeps corrosion from forming. It's one of the easiest preventative hacks you'll ever use. So, sometimes seatbelts just lock up and refuse to pull smoothly, right? A lot of people think they need replacements, but honestly it's usually just dirt and friction causing the problem. If you carefully spray a little WD-40 in the retractor mechanism, you can restore smooth movement instantly, saving yourself from an unnecessary repair bill. So, road salt in winter just destroys paint, and honestly it promotes rust way faster than you think. If you lightly spray WD-40 along your car's rocker panels and wheel wells before snow season, it actually adds a temporary barrier that keeps salt from clinging to your paint. You can kind of think of it as cheap insurance against those costly body repairs. See what I mean? WD-40 isn't just a spray, it's like carrying a mechanic in a can. And you know, the best part is, almost all of these tricks cost you pennies but end up saving you thousands. If you've learned something new today and want to keep your car running like new without spending a fortune, please consider subscribing to Gear Specs. Every subscriber not only helps this channel grow, but also directly helps me continue paying my college fees while giving you free, money-saving car tips every single week. And if you thought these WD-40 hacks were mind-blowing, just wait until you see our video on the 11 cheap car parts you're ignoring that can destroy your engine fast. Trust me, that one could honestly save your entire engine. Click here,